for free stuff, no bad at all. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I've got another unboxing video. I'm gonna be unboxing the Makeup Revolution free mystery bag. So the Makeup Revolution, we're doing an offer where you buy £35 and you get a free mystery bag. I've done this before and they did it again, so I bought something worth of £35 and I got a free mystery bag through the post. This is my package I got through the post and I'm just gonna unbox it, and you know, we're just gonna open it. I'm just gonna grab out my free mystery bag. These are the things I bought from Makeup Revolution. Just came in like so, and I've got the things I bought in there. Yeah, I've got some things I bought. That's not my main aim here. My main aim is this one here, which is the free mystery bag. So I'm gonna be unboxing this today. So this is what the free mystery bag looks like. It came like so. They are different. It's definitely different from the first one I opened up, because I can see some things in here that weren't in the first one. So this is another unboxing. I'm so excited to see what they've got in here. This is the first product in there, and this is Revolution Pro. This is Revolution Pro eyeshadow refill. It contains 5 magnetic refill eyeshadow. It's Bunt, that's what it's called. The colors are nice. They look really like something you can use every day. Warm colors, and I'll check the price of this later. So this is the first thing in the box. I'll just open the second. This I got in the first one I did, but I got another color. So this is a different. This is called Dazzling. So this is called Dazzling. This is the Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter. It's in the shade Dazzling. Second product, I'm gonna go in and dip in to see what I've got in here. I've got a lippy as well. So this is I Hat Revolution, and this is the lippy Metal. That's the name of this shade. This is what it looks like. The shade is Metal. I Hat Revolution Flare. This is the third thing in the mystery bag. Okay, I'm just gonna open the fourth thing in there. Okay, this is a bit big. So this is Pro Strobe Contour Palette with a brush. Okay, so this is a contour palette. Yeah, Pro Contour Palette with a brush. This is what it looks like. Pro Powder Strobe and Contour Palette with a brush. I'm gonna just open this up. Ooh. This is what the brush looks like, guys. Very nice brush. Opens up a separate pouch and comes up like so. Ooh, this is looking nice. Freedom, be free to make up. Is this from Makeup Revolution, or I didn't know they had that, because they don't have that. They've got in Makeup Revolution, they've got the kind of the brands kind of subsects of Makeup Revolution. They've got Revolution. So Makeup Revolution, I've got a lot of branded out there. So they've got a Revolution. You know, I'm looking at the carton. You know, this is the this is the post box. Yeah, they've got a Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. That's one of the brand. They've got Revolution Pro, which I was thinking was this, but it doesn't say. And they've got I Hat Revolution, they've got Revolution Skincare, they've got the Makeup Obsession London, and they've got the Excess Revolution, which is the most recent one. So Excess Revolution is the most recent one. I actually did a foundation review and a concealer review. I'm gonna put the link down below. Check out that video, guys. So yeah, I've not seen anything about Freedom. So this is, I'm gonna check the website if I can see this thing. It just fell off, guys. I'm gonna pick it up. If it breaks, it's not really Makeup Revolution's fault, is it? No, it's not broken. This is what it looks like, guys. So this is what a Pro Contour palette looks like. Colors are not very dark skin friendly. They're not. It's kind of darkest color, and it looks more closer to, it's a cool tone. It's got a nice highlighter here. This looks nice. This is a nice highlighter here, and I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try this shade here, which is the one that I think would match me. because I think this one here might just be too light. Let me try this so you guys see this one. So yeah, so it looks like a highlighter, guys. Can you see it? So this shade here is definitely not my shade. So I'm just gonna go in with this dark one and see if that. And the brush doesn't feel very soft, but it's not very hard, so it's in the middle. So I'm using this color here. Let's see how this will contour my face. Okay, yeah, it's kind of looking contoured, guys. Yeah, it does. I think, yeah, because I didn't really contour today. I just used a blusher, so this is the only contour I've used, and it's not bad at all. Oh, it's showing, guys. See, the color is quite dark, so it's not that bad. Yeah, this can be a contour color for me actually. It is blending nicely so far. So I've just done this side. I think it's blending nicely. It does have a bit of a fallout. Ooh, not bad. This is good for nose actually. Oh wow. Definitely nice. Yes. This is a keeper. It looks nice, I think. I'm just gonna bronze the rest of my face. The color is definitely showing up, so I really can't say anything bad, but all the colors would just be highlighter shade for me. Oh, I like this. Not bad, not bad. You know, for a drugstore, for free stuff, not bad at all. This is the fourth thing, which is this and a brush. I'm gonna go to the last thing in here, and the last thing in here is dun dun dun. This is Triple Bake Highlighter. This is a Starstock Triple Bake Highlighter. I think this is I Heart Revolution product, possibly. Yeah, it's a baked highlighter. I'm just gonna open this highlighter up. I do love my highlighters. Ooh. Wow, that's what it looks like. It looks really nice. The packaging is beautiful. It's a very, very nice packaging. The color is nice. It's like a pinky star. But I don't know if this would be my exact shade, you know. I'll see how it looks like. I normally like a peachy or a gold highlighter, but have a look. It's a pinky highlight. This really looks nice. I actually like it. I like the look of it, and I'm gonna try it now. I'm dimming it with my sponge, like my brush, with my foundation, just to take out the highlighter I've got on one of my nose as well. It's not coming out. Just add this on top, just to see how it looks. It's not bad on my skin. Oh my god, no, it's not bad at all. Can you see that glow, guys? Like, I've just used a tiny bit, and it just gives a. I like it. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh my god. Guys. Wow. Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? It just gives a very nice. But handle with care, because this looks like something that will go. It will just go everywhere. You know what I mean? You just go like everywhere with the highlight. But it is nice. I was thinking it's gonna be too off on my skin, but actually it's not that off. No, it's not that off, guys. Like, it's nice. It just gives a rosy look to the cheeks. I really love this one. This is Starstruck. I really love this, guys. Like, it's different from what I got before, so that's a good thing. I was a bit like, oh, would they send exactly what they sent before? I'll put the link down below if you want to see my first unboxing. So yes, this is another unboxing, guys. So just to recap, I got I'm gonna check the prices of all this now. First thing I brought out was this bunch. So this is the 5 magnetic refill eyeshadow. I got this jelly highlighter, then I got the lippy, and then I got the Freedom one, which is a strobe, and it came with a brush, a very nice brush as well. And then I got the Starstruck highlighter. So those are the 5 things I got. I'll just quickly check the prices and I'll be back. So I've kind of checked the prices of these. The first thing I opened was this bronze one. So this retails for £5. The jelly highlighter, it retails for £6 on the website. So the next product I talked about was the lippy. I could not find this exact lippy, so I checked the website, couldn't find it, but I saw a lippy that was like a lip gloss, and that was for £4. This was £5 as well. This I couldn't quite see. The one I saw was a dual one, or like a dual brush. Retails for like I think I saw some for £10, and there was one that was for that didn't have a brush, was £6, so 10 or 6 for free. I really can't complain. I do like them. In total, we're looking like £30 or so. So I think that's why I love this deal. You know, you buy something and you get more. You get some free things, and they are usable. Things here are things I would use, so it's not like it's like the highlighters. I was thinking, oh, this would be just too, but it's actually okay. It's not bad at all. It gave me a very nice look to my face, and yeah. So I do love it. I do love a freebies. Quite impressed with the things in it. So they are not like things you throw away or something. I do like them. So that's the unboxing, guys. I did get a few people asking, how do you get a mystery bag? How do you get... To get the mystery bag, you need to kind of sign up to the Makeup Revolution website. So just go on the Makeup Revolution and just sign up so you can be in the subscription list. And then when they're doing this promotion, you get an email. So you get a lot of junk emails as well. You get emails whenever there's a sale. But when they're doing this offer, you would know. That's how I knew. So as soon as they were doing this offer, I got an email saying, oh, this offer is back on. The thing is, you need to buy something worth of £35. Okay? So when you buy that, then you qualify for the free mystery bag. Okay? So that's how I got it. Okay, so I tend to just wait. Like there's some things Makeup Revolution that I want to buy. I don't buy it. I wait till when they do this offer. There's another good offer, which is the 3 for 2. That's really a good offer. That's really good. But I kind of like this offer because of the mystery bag. I kind of like looking at the mystery bag. Normally I won't buy this, you know. So with the mystery bag, I tend to see other things as well. Some things you might not want to use, so you know, it's up to you. But I'm kind of a makeup. I'm a makeup enthusiast, actually. So for some people that are not too keen into makeup, this might not be the best deal for you. But for me, I really like unboxing it. I like looking at the new things they've got to offer. And I do love the look of this, actually. So which do I like best? I like this offer as well. I like the old one. So check out my video on the old one. And you know, I bought things worth £35 that I need to use, and I got this freebie, so that's really good. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I really appreciate that. And to all my old subscribers, you guys are the best. You are exceptional. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.